Hi, good day. I am here to explain to you the rights of the accused. So, firstly, what is an accused? So, an accused is a term used in relation to a criminal prosecution. So, if you are charged of a crime, you are referred to as the accused. So, as an accused, you have rights. Okay, you have rights. So, I have here listed rights of an accused according to our Philippine Constitution and according to other laws. So, firstly, you have the right to remain silent. Meaning to say, if you are asked by police officers, you have the right not to answer them politely, in a good way. Second is that you have the right to be informed of the nature and accusation against you. This is vital because you should know why you are being arrested, why you are being caught. So, it is your right that you should be informed of the nature and accusation against you. The third one is the very important right that you need to learn is that you have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty. So, all accused are innocent until they are convicted. So, you should the people around you should not discriminate you because you are an accused. They should not do it because you have the right to be presumed innocent until you are being convicted. So during the trial process, even the judge should see you as an innocent person. So the fourth one is the right against self-incrimination. You have the right not to be a witness against yourself. So all those statements that you said during the arrest and during the time that you are in the police station, and you said something disadvantageously, it should not be taken against you because it is inadmissible as evidence in the hearing of your case because you have the right against self-incrimination. And the fifth one is you have the right to counsel, or rather, you have the right to have a counsel of your own choice. So meaning to say, first is that the general rule is that you have the right to choose who will be your counsel, who will be your lawyer representing you in court. But if you cannot provide yourself a lawyer, the government will give you one under the law. So you have the right to counsel. The public attorney's office is the agency of the government that is responsible for giving you counsels. So the next one is that the sixth one is that you have the right to have an impartial or fair trial. Meaning to say that the trial of your case should not be biased. The judge or the hearing officer in this criminal prosecution, it is the judge. The judge who is trying your case should see to it that the hearing process of your of the trial is not biased at all. It should be fair. Your right to have impartial, fair, and public trial. Your trial should be in public, meaning to say all persons, your relatives can attend the hearing. They should not be prohibited to enter the courtroom because you have the right to have impartial and public trial. It should not be a private trial. It should be a public trial. Then, the next one is that you have the right to speedy disposition of your cases. Your case should be resolved within a reglementary period allowed by law. It should not carry on until ages. There is a reglementary period where a judge can resolve a specific case from the time that it was submitted for resolution. Meaning to say, criminal cases should not be for too long, like 10 years, 5 years. It should not be like that, because you have the right to speedy disposition of your cases in accordance with law. So the next one is that you have the right not to be held incommunicado. Meaning to say, you have the right to be visited by your friends, by your families. Meaning to say, you should not be held privately. You have the right to be visited. Okay? So, you have still access to the outside world. And the second to the last is that you have the right to confront your witnesses. You have the right to confront the witnesses against you. Okay? So you have the right to confront the witnesses of the prosecution. The witnesses who are telling to the honorable court that you are guilty of the crime. You have the right to confront them, because it is your right if really they are telling the truth or not. So you have the right to confront your witness inside. You have the right to confront the witness in the trial of your case. And the last but not the least right against inhuman and cruel punishment. Even if the accused is already convicted, so he will be called convictee, he has a right against inhuman and cruel punishment. He should not be treated inhuman. So he should not be treated inhuman. All punishment under the law should be humane, should be lawful, should be legal. Even they are already convicted of a crime, even of heinous crimes, they are still treated humanely. So you have the right against inhuman and cruel punishment. There should be no torture, violence inside the prison cell. So that would be all for the rights of the accused. So for that, I should say goodbye and see you next time.